Okay, Math 186 students, hello again. This is your instructor, Mrs. Thomas. And don't worry, I am going to download this worksheet, this conversion worksheet, because now we are actually in chapter 5. This is chapter 5 in your textbook, which is called the Metric and Household Systems. So for the end of the chapter review for your homework, you'll be doing page 113, 1 through 50 odd. And I'm just going to grab some even problems and kind of walk you through it. But I think once you see the conversion, you're going to be able to do this in maybe 15, 20 minutes. Okay, so it's 1 through 50. Let me zoom in here, just in case you have to stop the video. Okay. All right, so let's start here. Let's start here. So it says, number 2 says 0.06 centimeters equals how many decimeters? All right, so we're going to go to the metric conversion. So decimeters will be here. Okay, not decameters, but decimeters. All right. So notice they have here kilometers, kiloliters, kilograms, all of this. So the only thing we're going to do is, like you see this, we're going to just start moving back and forth. Okay. So if I'm going from centimeters, which is, show me what centimeters, right here, cm. So I'm going from, let me zero in so you can see centimeters. And I'm trying to get to, okay, so notice, look at the cm. I'm trying to go from cm to dm. From cm to dm. Where do I go? From cm to dm. So I just need to slide back one time to the left. So right here, if you're here, you're going to slide one time to the left. Okay, let me do it in another color. Okay, slide once to the left. So then this will be 0.006. That's it. Easy. You don't have to multiply, divide by 100 unless you want to. Okay, look at this one. I'm going from decimeter to millimeter, dm to mm. Come over here, find your dm, and then try to figure out where are you going. All right, dm to mm. Mm is right here. So if I need to slide, how many slides? 1, 2. So right here, you're going to slide 2 times to the right. 1, 2. So then 6, 2, 1, 7. Okay, and you don't need to put the decimal behind it. You can if you want to. I'll just scratch it out for you. But this is 6,217 millimeters. Okay, I knew you guys were going to get this. All right, DL, deciliter to liter, like a liter drink. Deciliter to liter. So DL, which is here. DL to L, which is liter. So I need to have, what I need to do, slide back to the left one time. Okay, so I'm here, slide back to the left one time. Okay, so this is 0.047. Okay, so we're just moving decimals to the left and then moving decimals back to the right, depending on where you're going. All right, from G stands for, all right, because a lot of people think that GR is for gram. That's not true. GR is for grain, little granules, like the fiber con is in granules. But G stands for gram. All right. So from gram to centigram. So from G to CG. All right. So from gram. Okay. So from gram to CG. All right. So I'm right here. So I need to slide over how many? 1, 2. All right, so you slide over 1, 2, and then fill it in with a 0. So what do you have? Think about that. 30. Because how many times have you ever seen a number that had 030 on it? And you say, oh, that's 30. You could have just wrote 30. Okay, so it's okay. I'll scratch out the 0 if you make a mistake, but it's fine. Just move that decimal over. 1, 2, just count wherever the decimal is. Look at 14. Okay, and I'll do at least 2 more. I know it's fairly easy, but I like to just make sure you guys understand what's happening. All right, I'm going from milligram to, what is MCG? Micrograms. Good. Milligrams to micrograms. So milligrams, where's my milligrams? Here. Okay, and where is my micrograms? Where's that? Where am I going? Where am I going? You see it? Do you see anything? I don't see my micrograms. What are we gonna do? Is it anywhere over here? Can I leave it out? What can I do if I don't have it? That's what I want you to research. What is it can I research in order to find it? How can I find micrograms? Okay, how can I find micrograms? Okay, do I need to turn the page? Let me look. I think I want y'all to. Okay, or is this gram here? Is that a gram? Okay, would that be in the same area as my milligram, my microgram? Okay, because I have several. Look at this one. Okay, this is something I want you to research. 1,000 micrograms equals 1 milligram. Okay, and I got that out of the book as well. Okay, so what happens when you don't know where to move it to? That's what I want to show you. What happens when you can't find it on the sheet? Okay, so 1 mcg is equal to 1 milligram. Okay, what do we say? 1,000 micrograms equals 1 milligram. Okay, I want y'all to think about this. Help me put this in a proportion. Okay, this is like a learning lesson. I love it. 1 milligram, all right? Just like we set it up the last time. 1,000 micrograms equals 1 milligram. So what if I don't know where to slide? Okay, 2 milligrams. Put a 2 milligrams here. Cross multiplied. Proportions will always help you find your answer if you can't find it. Okay, so here this is 1 milligram times X. I like to write everything down. And 1,000 times 2 is 2,000 micrograms per milligram. I like to write all of my units down. I am going to divide both sides by 1 milligram. Okay, and notice what's happening. Okay, so this is 2,000 micrograms. Okay, do you think you could have found that on the first sheet? Because it wasn't there. So I just want to make sure you are able to have examples where what happens if I can't find it on the sheet, Miss Thomas? How can I set it up? And that's exactly how you would do it. Okay, the last one, kilograms to grams. Okay, kilograms. Help me find kilograms. Here it is here. Kilograms to grams. I'm going here. So I'm here. So I'm sliding 1, 2, 3. So 3 times to the right. Well, I don't have a decimal here. The decimal is behind the last number. They don't give you one. 1, 2, 3. So all of these spaces, I'm going to fill them in with a 0. That's 13,000. 13,000. So I know this was a short lesson. But I think you guys got it going on. I think y'all can get it.